Today, we're breaking down one of the most under-discussed global money moves right now, MENA opportunities, and why smart investors and entrepreneurs in the United States are quietly paying attention. MENA stands for Middle East and North Africa, a region that's rapidly transforming from oil-dependent economies into AI-driven, tech-forward, investment-friendly markets. And this shift is opening massive doors for Americans. Countries like the UAE and Saudi Arabia are pouring billions into artificial intelligence, smart cities, fintech, clean energy, and digital infrastructure, while offering tax advantages, government-backed funding, and faster scaling compared to crowded U.S. markets. For U.S. investors, this means earlier entry into high-growth sectors, access to undervalued startups, and real estate markets still in expansion mode. For entrepreneurs and digital creators, MENA offers less competition, high purchasing power, and strong demand for AI tools, SaaS products, automation services, and online education, all while operating remotely from the US. Even American freelancers and consultants are tapping into MENA clients who pay premium rates for AI, data, cybersecurity, and cloud expertise. The key reason this matters now is timing. The US market is mature and saturated, while MENA is in its growth acceleration phase, similar to where Silicon Valley was years ago. Wealth is often created not where everyone is looking, but where capital, policy, and technology are aligning early. And right now, that alignment is happening fast across the MENA region, making it one of the most strategic global opportunity zones for forward-thinking Americans who want to stay ahead of the curve.